Hello guys, this is Slow Hustle. If you search for Intelligence Prime Capital online, you will see a lot of videos on it and people saying a lot of things about it. Some are making money, some are giving kind of mixed reaction, and I really want to contribute my own 2 cents. Okay, I want to contribute my own 2 cents. I have the PDF right here on my PC, which I'll be going through page by page with you. We'll be checking every claims they make and to be sure that these things are really genuine or legitimate. So at the end of this video, we are going to make a serious conclusion depending on what we discover in this. So if you want to invest into this program, if you really want to invest a penny into it, then I will advise you watch this video word for word, seconds for seconds, okay, so you can understand all that is within the white paper or the PDF, so you know how this company operates and you can make a decision at the end if you really want to put your money into this, okay, because it definitely doesn't make any sense to invest into a company just because a friend of you is making money from it, or just because someone told you it is legit and genuine. Then that doesn't stop you from doing your own personal research. At the end of the day, if anything happens, nobody is guaranteeing you of returning back whatever amount you want to invest into this platform. So enough being said, let's move on to the PDF right away. And before I do that, this is Slow Hustle. Here I create videos on how you can make money both online and offline, and what's in a blue moon. Just like this moment, I create reviews on what is causing buzz around, so you can understand. Okay, so try as much as possible to subscribe to Slow Hustle, and also like this video, okay, and drop comments or whichever thing you think along the line, okay. But I need you to like it and drop a comment, okay, if I did anything good by doing this job. Okay, so let's get into the video right here. So this is the PDF right away. Intelligence Prime Capital. It says the future of fintech and forex trading. Okay, so it says located at this address, number 1 Yonge Street, suite 1304, Toronto, probably Ontario, M5E and 1W7. Okay, so that is fine. We'll be checking on this later. Okay, all of the claims in this book, we are going to check it after all the reviews. Okay, so let's go on to page 2. There's nothing much to be said on this page 1. Okay, sorry about this. So page 2 is the risk disclaimer for forex trading. It says the information provided to you during or after this presentation should at all times be considered general information concerning about forex trading. Under no circumstances should this presentation be considered as any type of solicitation, investment, or financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to invest in foreign exchange, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. Okay, it further says the attendees/viewers need to evaluate the risk inherent to participating on this on their own behalf. We suggest you seek the advice of a suitably qualified professional who can help you to take the relevant decisions after evaluating your personal and financial situation. Your continued attendance at this meeting indicates your acceptance of the above terms. Okay, so that is written very clear and bold. And as a result of that, I'm going to give you my own disclaimer as well. I am not a financial advisor. Okay, I'm not even qualified to give you financial advice. I'm not licensed to do that. Okay, so I won't be giving you any advice. So follow this video all the way to the end and you'll be able to decide on your own. All what I'm going to say in this video are my own personal perspective according to what I read in their PDF. Okay, that doesn't guarantee or justify anything. Do not take any action as a result of what I say. It should be as a result of the research you are able to carry out from what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm not making any decision for you. Just in case you join this and you make a lot of money, good luck. And just in case you join this and it doesn't go your way, then there's nothing to blame me for on that. Okay, so it says the world's largest financial market, forex. Okay, so in the global financial market, the foreign exchange derivatives market has a huge daily turnover, more than 800 million US dollars. This is one of the most traded markets in the world. Okay, that is true. Here is talking about the forex market as 24 hours operation The market operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm not sure if the forex market operates 7 days a week. It doesn't operate on weekend according to my own research. Okay, so I'm not sure. So it's a convenient transaction, the flexible leverage, the low threshold, the high transparency, a two-way transaction, a high liquidity, a huge transaction volume. Okay, here I say how to choose the right trading method. We have the personal trading, the copy trading, and the AI analysis. So basically, if you want to trade forex, it's either you trade it on your own, okay, personal trading. That's if you have a prior knowledge of how the market works. But if you can't just fund your account and go into trading right away, it doesn't work that way. That's a sure way to lose your money by trying that method. We have the copy trading as well, whereby we have group of gurus, or probably a guru that's good at trading. Then your account will be some way somehow synchronized to the account. Therefore, whichever action they carry out on the account could be replicated in your own account. Probably if your account is bigger than them, it's follow the specific lot size, or if your account is a bit lower, then it will follow your own sets lot size. Okay, so for the leverages, okay, so it happens that way, and the tech has made us easy as well. Then we have the AI analysis system. Okay, we have a lot of AI analysis system here, right here, and this IP Capital business has built their own. Intelligence Prime Capital built their home as well. So here is discussing about the company. It says Intelligence Prime Capital company profile. The IP Capital is an international company committed to providing global users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as the quantitative trading, the leverage AI trading systems, the cloud storage system, and enterprise management software. It further says, at IP Capital, we have sworn to uphold the principles of professionalism, innovations, collaboration, and integrity to constantly create and redefine value for our users by analyzing new opportunities, continuously building relationships, and executing the best strategies with our clients in mind. We are proud to serve users and enterprises for over 10 countries with an emphasis on the continuous innovation. We continue to build high quality products and services to serve, inspire, and drive every individual and business in the world. Okay, that's a nice write-up right there. It says Intelligence Prime Capital is a Canadian company that has obtained a regulatory license from the Canadian Financial Regulatory Agency. We also hold a digital asset management license. In 2021, IP Capital will officially launch our global financial products and digital asset trading platform, providing global users with a one-stop diversified financial service platform. Our AI analysis trading system, the AI bot system, works for aggregating market information, transaction volume, other relevant data to accurately predict market trends. After several months of testing, the AI bot system has achieved an average win rate of 97%. That is a whole lot of winning rate. Okay, that cannot be justified. Okay, we didn't see anything like that, just coming from their end. Okay, so setting a dazzling record. Now we are ready to serve individuals and enterprises as they navigate through the challenging financial market. Okay, that's great. So here are some of the countries that they are present in. We have the United States, we have the United Kingdom, the Canada, we have Singapore, Hong Kong, we have Taiwan, China, we have Cameroon, we have Ghana right here, Cameroon, and Nigeria. Okay, so those are available on these platforms. So we have as well these certificates right here. Okay, we have this certificate to show that they are registered in Canada. So this is right here, Canadian registration certificate, with this address right here. Okay, on the next page you will see something like this financial transactions and report analysis center of Canada, this Fintrac that they mentioned about 2 pages back. Okay, 2 pages back. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is the certificate right here that they are registered with Fintrac, and here is a link to that. Okay, here is a link. So we'll be checking all of this during the course of this video. So if you think I'm doing anything right during the course of this video, kindly drop a comment right away. Just say thank you, Sloo, big up, Sloo, or thanks for the review, or anything at all. Okay, just drop a comment. That is going to inspire me to create more videos like this for you. Okay. So let's keep going. This is the picture of the certificate from Fintrac money service business. So here as well, this is a claims, like a certificate. It says the US Digital Assets Regulatory License, MSB. Okay, that is the money service business. There is a license of it that they claim to have as well. We have that of let's keep going. We have that of, okay, that is from the US Financial Crimes Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. Okay, so they said they are registered on that, and this is the link right here. Okay, so let's keep going. So we have this guy as the COO of the investment or the organization or the startups. His name is Mr. Walter Stefan. I tried to check for these guys online, but I couldn't get much information about him. I do not know why. Okay, probably it's not the kind of internet person or internet savvy, but this is a tech company. I don't know why it doesn't have much of internet or social media footprint out there. I do not know. Okay, but I sent a video of him speaking about the company, and it looked pretty cool. Okay, so moving on to Dr. Valen GSH. I don't know how to pronounce that. Valen, I don't know. I'm not from this Asian country. So this is something about this guy. I tried to check on this guy as well. I was able to get a picture of him. Okay, I was able to get a picture of this guy on LinkedIn. Okay, he has a profile on LinkedIn with over 200 connections. That shows that the LinkedIn account is pretty new as well. Okay, it's pretty new, because even my personal LinkedIn account has over 800 connections. Okay, that's for the past 3 years, and I don't even use it that much. Okay, I just set up my profile, post there once in a while, and people keep connecting. So that LinkedIn profile is pretty new. Okay, it's pretty new. Okay, moving on to the other one. It says world-class platform. So they kind of trade using MT5. Okay, MT5 is very well known and cool, but MT5 doesn't have any issue. Okay, so why choose IP Capital? Okay, it says a wide variety of trading products including commodities, forex, cryptocurrencies, and indices. 247 market trend analysis. Trade with the International MetaTrader 4 platform. Provide users with an AI analysis system with an accuracy of 97%. Excellent customer service that provides timely resolution of customer requests and feedbacks. We have the real-time market analysis, fully regulated and compliant. P&D, I don't know what that means. R&D team with many years of professional experience. Accept digital currency as payment, bringing convenience for international users. Convenience for international users. You know, that kind of anonymous payment also has its own disadvantage when we are paying with crypto or USDT. Okay, where it's going, it cannot be traced. But if you are using like your card to pay, MasterCard or whichever forms to pay, you'll know for sure that this guy have a kind of footprint out there. They have a profile, probably a kind of merchant accounts with MasterCard or whichever payment gateway they choose to use, and those one can actually have 1 or 2 informations about them. But this is crypto anyway. The world is going, that is the future of money. So I don't really have anything to say about that too much. Okay, so this personal trading mode, I won't be explaining that. That is quite simple. And there's 3 types of AIA bot system. Okay, the first one is the smart bot, and it's going for 19.90. The second one is brilliant bot, it's going for 39.90. The third one is genius bot, it's going for 99.90. okay, 99.90. Have the intelligent analysis to make trading more efficient. The AIA bot system use artificial intelligence, that is AI technology, to automatically and accurately analyze investment and trading patterns according to specified technical settings and preset algorithm. Okay, so we have the AIA bot system, we have the band scalper, the BS28 scanner, we have the bull versus bear, we have the currency strength. Probably those are type of indicators or trading analysis they have. We have all of this as well. So I'll skip through that. Built-in AI copy trading, I'm going to skip through all this. So these are the things they trade: IPC, AIA bot system, they trade foreign exchange, the gold CFD. We have the commodity CFD, we have the oil CFD, and we have the cryptocurrency. Okay, so we keep going. This is the IPC core value. If you need to read through that, okay, you can just pause the screen a bit and do that. The future of fintech and trading. I'm trying to move on to where we can get much about this. So this is the AIA boat system subscription right here. We have the smart boat going for 19.90. we have the brilliant boat going for 39.90. we have the genius boat going for 99.90. And if you go for this smart boat right here, you get up to 15%, up to 15% per month. 15% per month. We have the minimum deposit to be $100, the maximum deposit to be $300. The auto trading is 1 to 2 times daily. The brilliant boat right here, you can get up to 30% per month. The minimum deposit is $100, the maximum deposit is $1,000. the auto trading is 1 to 3 times per day. The genius boat is the minimum deposit is $100, maximum deposit is no limit, and the trading is about 1 to 4 times per day, and the return on investment is a whopping 45%. That is way big. So let's keep on going to the next stage right away. We have the AIA boat system security deposit. Here we have an explanation or have the compensation plan works. And this is explaining the boat system bonus. Right here. So it's saying if you are user A and you refer user B, and user B went for the GB package, that is the biggest one. I think that is the 99.90. then you get about 10% of it. It says the AIA boat system bonus only applies to the first level of referrals. It's not unilevel, it's not multi-levels. This is not MLM. The referral will receive a 10% AIA boat system bonus for any purchase made through direct referrals. Example, if user A refers user B to IP Capital and the user B purchases a genius boat for 99.90, user A will receive 10% of the purchase price, which is 9.90. Quite simple and self-explanatory. Here is the sponsorship bonus. The sponsorship bonus. Here it says if user A refer user B and user B went for the genius boat, which is $99.9, and also deposits $1,000. You get 10% of this $1,000. That is about $100 right here. That is what is explained right here in this video or in this screen. Moving on to the next one, we have the management bonus right here. The management bonus went down all the way to level 20. On level 1 you earn 30%, level 2 you earn about 20%, level 3 is 10%, level 4 to level 6 is 5%, 7 to 9 is 3%, 10 to 14 2%, and 15 to 20 is 8%. These are the thresholds you need to attain to qualify for all this level. So I won't be wasting time on this, so you can just pause your screen and try to check on here. Try to check on it. Quite simple as that. So moving on to the next stage, this is explaining still the compensation plan. That there are 4 ways you could earn, purchase and subscribe to AIA boat system and start receiving trading profits. You refer new users to purchase an AIA boat system to receive AIA boat system bonus. Users will receive a sponsorship bonus when new users subscribe to AIA boat system. We have enjoy up to 20 levels of management bonus once the user achieves shareholder director ranking. You can only earn that after you achieve that shareholder director ranking. So and if you go up a bit, you see that the shareholder director right here, this rank right here, you must have a personal sales of $30,000 and a group sales of $300,000. That's basically what you have to do. So right here it further explains if user A subscribe to Genius Boot, which is giving you 45% per month and deposited 100,000, then your monthly reward is about 45% of 1,000, which is 450. So if you end up for 6 months, that's 2,700. Quite simple and self-explanatory. So this right here is explaining if user A refers about 20 people and they all went for the Genius Boot of 99.90, which you are getting 9.90 from, and they all deposited 1,000 naira. This is the calculation of how much you are expected to earn in a month. So from 20 users you get about 99.90 times 10%, that's equals to 199.80. The sponsorship bonus is 20 users, that is 100 this is $1,000 and 10% of it. That is $100 each, that is giving you 2,000. And we have management bonus of first level, that's 20 times 445 times 30%, that's equal to 2,700. That's going to give you a total of about 5,349 per month. $5,349 per month. That is over 2 million naira. Okay, Okay, that's over 2 million if we are from Nigeria. Okay, so let's keep on scrolling down. So this further explains or buttress on the other point. Let's see what results we will achieve. Okay, that's possibly what you can achieve with that. So this further breaks down what one can earn. Okay, so if you are on this level right here with leader achievement, okay, if you are shareholder director, okay, this is what you can earn. This is what you can earn. At that shareholder director level, you might have invited about 14,580 users. Okay, not only your effort, that's a cumulative effort on the team. Okay, so if invited about 14,580 users, okay, it's possible you earn about 159,570 US dollars in a single month. In a single month, okay, so it's as hard as that. You can earn that in a single month. Okay, that's basically it. Now we are at the end of this PDF. Okay, so let's scroll all the way up and start verifying our claims. Okay, it's very, very important to verify our claims. I told you guys we are going to do that at the end of this video. Okay, so this is the first claims we have to do right here. I'm going to copy this address out. We are going to search it on the internet to see if there's anything that will come out of this address right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on here and I'm going to enter this address right away. Okay, I'm going to enter this address and let's see what the internet has to show us. Okay, let's see what the internet has to show us. So this one is coming from opengov.ca. okay, it's a Canadian website, a corporation. Okay, let's see what this address is bringing out on there, or if there's anything that's related to that address from that website. Okay, there's anything related to that address. Okay, let's keep on checking. Let's see if there's anything incorporated in that address. If we cannot find one, then we'll have to. Okay, so look at it right here. Okay, probably that is a kind of an office address. It is office address. So we have Intelligence Prime Capital to be one of them on that. Probably it's a kind of big building. Okay, we have Atmos Market Limited, we have the Chindex Technology, we have the Tender Index Limited, we have the Big Finish on that address. Okay, probably it's a big office right there. So we have Intelligence Prime Capital to be one of them. Okay, so that is a good that's a good result right there from that claim. So we need to move on to the others and check as well. Okay, because we must check all of these, guys. We must check. So this address they give to us right here, I'm probably going to copy this out. Okay, I'm going to copy this out. So Ctrl C, I'll copy that and I'll go to web browser as well. I'm going to hit the search button and paste it into it right away, and let's load it. Let's see where it's taking us to. Is this really a Fintrac website? Okay, so Canada federal government, and this is the site right here. Okay, you can further your research by doing a little research about this website to be sure of when they are created, who owns it, and a lot of things like that, if they are actually from the Canadian government. So the legal names right here of MSB is Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, this is the money service business, Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, and it's on this address right here, number 1 Yonge Street, Suite 1304, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and this and that. Okay, so this is the phone number attached to the registration right here, just in case you are curious and you want to do further research, which I advise you to do. That being said, let's go to the other claims. Okay, there are other claims as well, and there are other links that we need to check. This right here comes from the US Data Assets Regulatory License for the money service business. So we are going to click on, we are going to copy this link as well. So we're going to copy that and go to our browser right away. Okay, and we have to paste that as well to be sure of what you are about to get yourself into, or what we need to do to get into this business. Okay, do your due diligence. Okay, you can take a week to do the research. It's never too much. Okay, here we have to input a lot of details to get this stuff working. We need to input a lot of details. Okay, this is it right here. Let's copy this number out. Copy. So let's come here right here. Let's input the number. Okay, let's see if we can get other things. The legal name, legal business name, Intelligence Prime Capital Limited. Let's copy that as well. Okay, we have to do our due diligence, right? The DBA name, I don't know what that means. Is there anything like DBA name right here? I do not know. Okay, so let's just try to search that, if that is enough to get us some information. Let's search if that is enough to get us some information from this website. Okay, so by searching the number, you could see that we have this right here, the Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, we have it right here with this address. Okay, this is from US, so you do not expect a Canadian address here. It says 1391 Enspire Boulevard, STA 209. Okay, this is from the city is Denver, the state is CO. I don't know what CO mean, maybe California, Colorado or somewhere, I'm not sure. Okay, the zip code is this. We have the MSB activities for this number, and okay, so you can see a lot of this, and it will register on the 6th or 16th of 06 2021. So we have it on this website as well. Okay, that's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good for me. Okay, so let's see if there's other things to check as well. Let's see, there's other claims to check as well. Okay, so that is basically it. So you can just get pictures of this guy, do some reverse engineering. Let's do some pictures, just search on it on Google. Okay, so I won't be doing that, so I'm done with my research. So all of their claims are actually verifiable. Okay, from my own end, all of their claims are actually verifiable. Just that the return on investment is quite high, but I've never seen any complaint from anyone investing into this. People are making a lot of money from it and they are happy about it. That is why most of my subscribers has reached out to me to create a video like this so that they can know what to do. This is not a financial advice. I'm not qualified or licensed to give you a financial advice. Do your own due diligence before you invest into it. But if I'm going to rate these guys over 10, I'm going to rate them about 8.5 over 10. Okay, 8.5 over 10, because they promise a return. So I'm going to rate them 8.5 over 10, and because this is forex and it doesn't give a promised return. Okay, so that's why I'm rating them 8.5, or probably let's say 7.5. okay, to be on the first side. I'm going to give them 7.5 over 10. That is what I'm giving them. Okay, and that is a pass mark for me. That is a pass mark. But do your own diligence. Do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. Do not invest your business money, your school fees. If you have children, do not invest their school fees into this. Okay, it's quite simple as that, because people have made a lot of mistakes in time past, and I think it's quite okay to let you know what you really have to do. Okay, simple as that. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.